What up, y'all? This is Dreezy News. It's rainy today. It's cloudy, rainy, but it feels good outside though.
Purchase your tracks today.
I'm down the street at the park from my house, just chilling, relaxing up under the canopy. As you can see, the canopy. And yeah, y'all. Or should I say a gazebo? I think it's a gazebo. But yeah, y'all, I'm just chilling, man. I don't have much to do today. I'm just cleaning up my room a little bit, making sure the house is okay, making sure my mom and pops is okay. I did some store runs today. And pretty much that's it, y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's not much to do on a Saturday, on the weekend, because I do everything during the week, taking my parents to appointments and stuff. So look at the ducks, y'all. But yeah. So I'm just chilling, y'all. Out here in this nature. Out here in this nature, just chilling, y'all. I ain't gonna be in here too long. Thank God for another day.